Karibu sana, so that we're reminded of all our partners, all our sponsors. It was a very good breakfast. And to the EBK and sponsors, we don't take for granted. Sika, you've been with us, and IEK. Please, to all our partners, it is very important because we are going to be circulating that where they live. I want to request that
in the housing sector, a lot is taking place, which has also accommodated many of our engineers and consultants in that space. So we look forward, even with the infrastructure fund that was approved the other week, that the resources that will come through for the government will help having many other programs coming on board, and these will engage many of our engineers in terms of labor and also recruitment as consultants.
Professions ciothe iria ciagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo cikĩhusishwo thĩinĩ wa mĩtaratara ĩyo igakorwo itira involve na njĩra njega, na thĩinĩ wa ũndũ ũcio nĩkĩo tũrona nĩ kũrathiĩ gũkagĩa na flooding, nĩ tũrathiĩ tũgakora nyũmba nĩ ciakirwo barabara-inĩ cia maĩ, nĩ tũrakora nyũmba nĩ iteng'eririo igiakwo.
We are hosting the Engineering Partnership Convention ĩgũkorwo mweri wa kana, yani April, kuma date 21st to 25th. Koguo tũrahoya andũ othe bũrũri ũyũ wothe, ma engineer mothe, ona arĩa matarĩ ma engineer, mwĩ karibu na tũmũnyitĩte ũgeni.